Good morning, vlog. It is our third day here. No, would it be considered third day? Third day here in Texas. And we are currently on our way to Austin, Texas. We've been staying in Dallas at one of my mom's apartments. They're going back and forth between two because of my stepdad's work. We had to stop. I've been looking online at like different vegan restaurants to go to around the area. And I'd found one called Cinnaholic. It's a cinnamon roll cafe. And everything they have is vegan, which is crazy because like you can never really find vegan cinnamon rolls to begin with. It's ready right now.
Here's your Irish coffee.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oh my god. This is so cute. They have like this little pose with your roll Cinnaholic selfie cam. So I'm gonna do this right now. Ready? This is our gift. We have to send it. Okay, so like I was saying, we're at Cinnaholic and we just got our cinnamon rolls. These, they're huge. We got the blueberry pie one, and then what is this one called?
This one's the coffee and Irish cream.
Coffee and Irish cream. So stinking good.
Come and save me, I've been missing lady luck. Ever since you started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere.
I realized I was in such a food coma after the cinnamon rolls at Cinnaholic that I literally didn't even mention how good they were. They were absolutely delicious. My stomach actually kind of hurt because I had basically 2 huge cinnamon rolls. But now we are in Waco, Texas, visiting the silos. It's called Magnolia. If you're not familiar with Chip and Joanna Gaines, they own all of this. This is like their business now, and it's incredible. Like, this place is beautiful. The weather is perfect. Just really friendly. Like, look, there's like kids playing out in the yard. There's lots of food. So we're gonna explore here, and then we'll head on to Austin a little bit later. So I got my hat on, my sunglasses, feeling good. Keep those so cute.
Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you.
We just sat down to eat a partial lunch. I'm eating kettle chips because unfortunately there's not really any vegan options here. So Chip and Joanna Gaines, think about your vegans out there that are coming to visit. But Mom and Riley got a grilled cheese. And we got this amazing sweet tea. It's from the Alabama Sweet Tea Company. It is incredible, but it is so beautiful outside. Literally, this sunshine is feeding my soul right now. Like, it just feels so good. I could sit here all day long, and it's so cute. There's all these kids playing. People just enjoying the sunshine, and it smells good because they have like plants everywhere. It's honestly incredible. If you're ever going to Waco or driving through Waco, or if you're just in Texas, I recommend coming here, 100%.
Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have a fade away.
Their handprints, they're nearly the same size. He's literally got the littlest hand.
We should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away